It's the last week of July and Julia and I are working together along a row of Lord Lambourne. Mentioned a little earlier in another video the reasons why we're doing this, removing diseased apples which are grossly overcrowding, partly to prevent this sort of thing happening. Here we had an apple tree with a branch that had a load of apples on it, and the weight of it snapped it clean off. This was actually quite an acute angle, not bad angle. But all this huge weight of fruit, probably 6-7 kilos of fruit, has snapped the branch, and it's just too bad, because it means that because this wasn't dealt with earlier, because we didn't reduce the number of apples here from the sort of 30 or so, maybe down to 18 or 20 the branch could have supported, we're now going to get none, because this is non-survivable. So that this many apples has just been completely lost. It's a big branch, a load of fruit, and if we had cut off, say, half of these fruits earlier, which seems a bit radical, if we'd cut off half of them, we'd have only lost half of them. Because we didn't, we've lost all of them. So it is really important, if your trees are carrying a very heavy crop, plums, apples or pears, then thin them out intelligently. If you do that, you're very likely to avoid this. The alternative is to stake them, to hold them up by some sort of system of posts and wires. One traditional way of doing that is a maypole. Let's stick a big stake up near the centre of the tree, and our various strings from it. We haven't got the energy or the time to do that sort of thing. But it is worth thinning your fruit. Sometimes if nature does it for you, she does a rather bad job. Okay.